Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to convert an HEIC to JPEG on a Mac. This is my HEIC photo. As you see, this is an owl photo. And as you see, it uses the HEIC extension. To convert it, it's simply click on it using the right button of your mouse. Go to Quick Actions and select Convert Image. Here, select the format JPEG in the format, and for the image size, you can go with the actual size, make it large, medium, or small. Now click on Convert to JPEG, and just like that, your new JPEG photo is created. As you see, this is a JPEG photo. Now, if you have multiple, let's delete this one. If you have multiple photos and HEIC photos that you want to convert, as I have here, so select the first one and hold Shift and select the last one. This in order to select all of the photos. And same thing, click on one of them with the right button of your mouse and go to Quick Actions, then Convert Image, and select JPEG in the format. Click on Convert to JPEG, and now all of them or all of your photos will be converted to JPEG. And this is how to quickly convert HEIC photos to JPEG on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.